Hey guys, it's Najam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Foveon look in Rawtherapee. Now, the Foveon look is a personal preference. It's accentuated quite a lot of details to imitate or to replicate the Foveon sensors on pretty much any of the camera. Now, I'll start off by showing you the before and afters. So this is the after, and this is the before image. And we'll go into 100%, and you can see this is the before image. And this is the after. You can see the difference in tones and also the details and the sharpness. This is the before image and this is the after. I'm going to go ahead and show you another sample. This is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after image. This is the before and this is the after. Looking at the image at 100%, this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after, and as you can see the difference in detail and also the tones. So with that out of the way, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and edit your images to make them look like the way you want. So I've adjusted the contrast and the saturation, and then we need to go over to the raw panel and we're going to start off with the capture sharpening, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Now these are the settings that we want to put in. So 0.66 and also 9, this is manually adjusted, so you can go ahead and press the letter P and you can see the contrast mask, so you want to only sharpen up the bits that you want. Now I'm going to go ahead and zoom into 100% and we'll see what this is doing. So I'll turn it off and I'll turn it on, and as you can see it's making just a tiny little bit of difference, but you can see especially around the fence over here. I'll turn it off and on. You can see the difference it's making in the sharpness. This, in other words, gets rid of anti-aliasing filters, and also it enhances the pixel level detail in the images. Next up, we're going to go over to the advanced tab, and I want you to put all these in. So this is 33, 33, 33, 33, 33, the whole luminance range. Now I'm only using the whole luminance range because with the new update I've not been able to actually use this and have it make a difference in the image. So we're just going to go ahead and select the whole luminance range, and we can go ahead and turn on the wavelet levels and we'll see how much of a difference that makes. So this is the after and this is the before. Now up to this point, you notice how the image looks just like the way you've edited it and the way you wanted it. Now the next few things I'm going to do is going to adjust the tones in the image, and that's going to change the look, and you probably saw this in the before and afters. Also though, if you want to go down and turn on the edge sharpening over here, we see that that is making a little bit of difference as well. So just go ahead and put these in, and also down here you've got these settings for that as well. We're going to go back over to the exposure tab and we're going to go down. We're going to make some adjustments. Now you want to keep the highlight compression to 250. This will bring down the highlights a bit because we're going to do the tone adjustments. And also let's go down here and we're going to turn on the tone mapping and also the dynamic range compression. And these two, you're going to want to just copy these if you want. Let's go ahead and turn this on, and you won't see much of a difference on here, but we'll go ahead and go out to the corner over here where there is more dynamic range, and you can see that it is compressing the dynamic range. And then after that, we can go ahead and turn on the tone mapping, and this I've got by default. I've got the default settings on, but I've moved this to 0.66, and I'm just going to go ahead and turn that on. And you can tone this down if you want, because it does enhance the details quite a bit. It puts tones on the image, and I can go ahead and just turn it down a bit if I wanted. So for me, I've personally found 0.66 to work the best. This is the before, and go ahead and turn it on, and this is the after, and that's what it's doing to the image. And that's pretty much it. Now you can turn the tone mapping down again, but I'll just go ahead and show you the details. So this is the before image, and you can see if I move around in the image, you can see it looks pretty natural. This is without any capture sharpening, dynamic range compression, anything. This is all turned off, and by default it does look like a very detailed image because it's a very detailed area, and the G9 doesn't have a anti-aliasing filter. But you can turn this even higher, but this is a really good image as it is. I'll go ahead and turn on the edit, and you can see the difference in the detail in the wall over here, and especially this texture over here. You can see that in the original it looks really flat, and in the edited version it looks really 3D-ish. And same goes for the pipe over here. You can see that the pipe looks very normal. And in the edited version you can see that it looks a lot more 3D-ish, and that's really cool. And you can see the difference down here. You can see that it is sharpened up quite a bit. You can see these leaves over here. The leaves over here look very normal and very natural. If you want a natural look, you can go for that. But we want the Foveon look, or more closer to the Foveon look. And you can see the difference in the leaves over there. They're popping out. They look a lot more 3D. And also over here, this is, as you can see, it is turned up quite a bit. So this is the before. As you can see, it looks very a lot more closer to film, a lot more natural. But in the Foveon look, we've gone ahead and turned up all the 3Dness onto it, and we enhanced the detail. And I think I've overdone it, but it looks pretty nice. Oh, there's a birdie. So that's the end of this video. If you guys have any questions, now you can take this tutorial as a detailed enhancement tutorial in Rawtherapee, but I call this the Foveon look because that's what I wanted to go for, and this is what I've got. So if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.